We'll guide you through how to make a welcome message with Mimu bot on Discord Mobile. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
This is a easy and quick way to automatically greet new members when they join your server using the Mimu bot. First, open Discord mobile app, and once you have opened it, just go to any Chrome or browser to your liking and search for Mimu bot, and just click on the official website and scroll down and click on invite. Now it will ask you to select your server. Just select your server where you want the Mimu bot to appear. In my case, it's going to be GuideRealm, and just click on continue. Click on authorize and confirm that you are a human. And after the Mimu bot has been added to the server, just go to your server and let's set up our text channel first. Now let's create a welcome channel. Long press on the text channel and click on create channel. Just give it a name like welcome and create your channel. And after it is created, I suggest going to any of the text channel other than general, and from here start typing the following command in the chat box. Just type a / embed create, and from here it will ask you to create a embed. Just give any name like hello and send the message, and Mimu bot will now give you a message that you can edit. Just click on edit basic information and give it a title like welcome to the server, and give a description like enjoy your stay. And you can even add a hex code. Just go to any browser to your liking and search for hex color. Use the slider to adjust which color you want. In my case, I want this color, so I'll just copy the hex code and go back to Discord and paste it here. After pasting, just click on submit, and you can even edit author, you can edit your footer, and you can even edit image to your liking. After that, just type a / and type set greet message. You can just choose it from the recommendation and type your greet message like welcome and add this exact message. Just open curly bracket, type user and close the curly bracket and send the message. Now let's set up a welcome channel. Just type / set welcome channel and just select the channel that we created earlier. Just click on welcome channel and send the message. And as you can see, it will say that the settings are updated for the channel. Now let's test it. Just type / and just type test greet and send the message. And it will say a message saying tested greet. If the message did not send to the channel, something might be wrong with the permission. So now let's just go back to our welcome channel, and you will see we will successfully get a welcome channel with our custom message. And that's how you set up a Mimu welcome message on mobile in Discord. It's a simple way to automatically greet new members and make your server feel more welcoming. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.